Preserved crocodile hides arrive at the leather processing facility. Each hide undergoes detailed inspection before manufacturing begins. Inspectors grade each crocodile hide for premium leather production. Only approved hides continue to the tanning process. The hides are soaked to restore natural flexibility. Salt and impurities begin to dissolve during this stage. Industrial washing systems clean the entire hide surface. This prepares the material for mechanical processing. Specialized fleshing machines remove unwanted tissue. The hide surface becomes cleaner and more uniform. Liming helps open the hide fiber structure. This improves penetration during later tanning stages. Deliming carefully neutralizes the previous treatment. The leather structure is stabilized for tanning. Pickling creates the ideal condition for tanning agents. The crocodile hide is now ready for preservation. Tanning transforms raw hide into durable leather. The fibers become resistant to decay and aging. The tanning reaction is allowed to stabilize. Moisture and chemical levels become uniform. The leather is split to achieve consistent thickness. This ensures uniform quality throughout production. Every section is measured with precision instruments. Only correctly sized leather continues forward. Machines are calibrated for exact material removal. Even tiny thickness variations are corrected. Precision shaving creates a perfectly even leather sheet. The natural crocodile pattern remains untouched. Final measurements confirm production standards. The leather is now ready for chemical finishing. Neutralization prepares the leather for dye absorption. The fiber structure becomes chemically balanced. Custom dye formulas are prepared with precision. Color consistency is critical for luxury leather. The leather begins absorbing rich, premium color. Rotating drums ensure even dye distribution. Color penetrates throughout the entire hide. This creates long-lasting luxury leather tones. Every hide is checked for color uniformity. Only flawless leather advances further. Special oils nourish the leather fibers. This enhances softness and durability. The leather becomes supple and luxurious. Next comes controlled moisture removal. The leather is prepared for moisture extraction. Vacuum drying ensures dimensional stability. Controlled drying protects the natural texture. The leather retains its premium appearance. Precise moisture levels are essential for quality. The leather is now ready for final drying. The leather is hung for controlled air drying. This prevents distortion of the natural scale pattern. Conditioning balances moisture throughout the leather. This improves consistency before finishing. Temperature and humidity are carefully controlled. The leather becomes more uniform and stable. Mechanical softening equipment is prepared. The leather is ready for flexibility enhancement. Staking improves flexibility and hand feel. The leather develops a luxurious texture.
Inspectors examine the natural scale structure. Premium grain quality is essential.
A thorough cleaning prepares the surface. Any remaining particles are eliminated. The leather is prepared for surface refinement. Machine settings are adjusted carefully. Buffing enhances surface consistency. It creates a cleaner finishing foundation. Buffing enhances surface consistency. It creates a cleaner finishing foundation. Residual buffing dust is completely removed. A clean surface ensures coating quality. Special finishing formulas are prepared. These coatings enhance durability and appearance. Each section receives an even protective finish. The natural pattern remains clearly visible. The coated leather enters a drying tunnel. Controlled heat stabilizes the finish. The finish is permanently bonded to the surface. The leather now shows improved durability. Texture and shine are carefully inspected. Only premium quality hides proceed. The leather is prepared for final surface enhancement. Polishing will deepen the luxury finish. Polishing creates a refined luxury appearance. The scale pattern becomes more vibrant.
The finishing process reaches its final stage. The leather now exhibits a premium shine.
Finished leather undergoes a comprehensive quality check. Only flawless hides advance to product manufacturing. Premium sections are selected for luxury goods. Natural scale patterns influence cutting decisions. Software maximizes leather utilization. Every valuable section is efficiently planned. Digital templates are prepared for cutting. Every component is positioned with precision. Machine calibration ensures accurate cuts. Every millimeter is carefully controlled.
Computer-controlled cutting delivers perfect accuracy. Luxury product components begin to take shape.
Craftsmen refine areas beyond machine precision. Each component receives individual attention. Every edge is inspected for perfection. Only flawless pieces continue forward.
Components are organized by product type. Sorting improves assembly efficiency.
Matching scale patterns create visual consistency. Luxury products require carefully paired panels.
Individual pieces are matched into complete sets. The final product structure is prepared. Skiving equipment is prepared for precision work. Thin edges improve assembly quality. Skiving reduces thickness at key assembly points. This creates cleaner folds and seams.
Fold locations are carefully marked. Preparation ensures accurate assembly. Fold locations are carefully marked. Preparation ensures accurate assembly.
Individual leather panels are assembled into products forms. Precision alignment ensures a premium appearance.
Industrial sewing machines are configured for luxury leather. Thread tension and stitch length are carefully adjusted.
Critical areas are strengthened for long-term durability. Reinforcement improves structural integrity. Skilled craftsmen refine the final product shape. Every curve is carefully formed. Edge paint seals exposed leather fibers. This improves appearance and durability. The first edge coating is carefully dried. Proper curing improves finish quality. Additional coating creates a premium edge finish. The product approaches completion.
Premium metal components are inspected. These details add functionality and elegance. Luxury hardware is fitted with precision. The product gains both function and style.
Metal rivets strengthen critical attachment points. They improve durability under daily use.
Handles and straps complete the product structure. Alignment is checked carefully.
Every stitch is inspected for perfection. Quality control remains strict. The leather surface receives a final cleaning. Every detail is prepared for finishing. Conditioning cream enhances durability and appearance. The leather receives premium care. Hand polishing highlights the natural scale pattern. The product achieves its signature shine.
Inspectors verify luxury finishing standards. Only flawless products move forward.
Dimensions are checked with precision instruments. Accuracy is essential for luxury products. Seams are tested for durability. Every stitch must meet strict standards. Every zipper and buckle is tested. Functionality must match luxury quality. Every surface is inspected under powerful lighting. Only flawless products qualify for branding. The branding equipment is carefully prepared. Precise positioning ensures perfect logo placement. A luxury logo is applied using heat and pressure. The branding becomes a permanent feature.
The metallic finish here is excellent.
Agreed. The laser confirms the dimensions are perfect.
Finished products are photographed for documentation. Images highlight the craftsmanship and design. Every product receives one final cleaning. Presentation is perfected before packaging.
Protective coverings preserve the leather finish. Every item is safeguarded before boxing.
Luxury packaging enhances the customer experience. Documentation is added before shipment.
Products are prepared for global shipment. Each package is tracked and verified.
After rigorous inspection, the luxury crocodile leather products are approved. They leave the factory ready for customers around the world.